Guys, I've got this Scotty Downrigger counter broken. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes not. I actually think that the spring there is now totally broken. I don't know how to fix it. Yeah, I was trying to open it, but decided no, that I will order the new one. I researched the part number 1145 electric downrigger Scotty, and I've got this one. Are you kidding me? Do they offer to fishing in the Mariana Trench? Well, yeah, 99999 3 times Mariana Trench. Yeah, some guys suggested that you can get a good fish there, a whale probably. Yeah, but it's almost through the earth. Yeah, a little bit more and through the earth. Yeah, well, I don't get the idea why 5 digits. Actually, I'm not sure at all. Let's check if it fits. I actually expected just the count, and I was thinking to remove these nuts. They sit on the plastic thread, which is not actually good. Yeah, so, but probably I need to replace the full part. Let's see. Okay, I brought it here to my garage for convenience. Yeah, we open, you see the old counter is removed as I explained you, and we see the same plastic part supplied with this counter. Yeah, so why not to change the whole part then? It's quite simple job. First you remove this emergency crank. It's quite simple. Just push it here and remove it. The next is the nut for this crank. It's easy removable. And then the next nut. Honestly, I didn't check the user manual for the right socket, but 9x16 fits here perfectly. You may ask, where should I put this one? In what direction? Well, guys, for this you just need to understand how it works. So, for example, I open it here with my belly. Yeah. So, and then we put the line, and you can see that the base is rotating. Yeah, but the counter is supposed to be on the place. You should, because you want to see it here, and it will be on the place, kept by this emergency crank here on the place. So the base is rotating and it touches these pins and the counter works. So the same will be, but the counter is static and that is rotating. Yeah, so it's quite simple. That's why it doesn't matter in what direction you put now and what torque you apply to this nut. No specific torque. It's all about what is the weight of your ball there. Your ball, no, I mean the ball there. So, and yeah, that's why now the only thing you need to think about is what torque you want to apply to this nut. And by the way, you may change it in the water later. So once you did it, yeah, you put the crank. By the way, yeah, it's better to remove this lid, but I'm lazy to do this because it's open. Let me show how you use the emergency crank. It's extremely easy. Yeah, extremely easy, but it's strange. Yeah, first you might attempt, maybe it should be here. No, then you just rotate this button, nothing more. It's here. It's just there. Yeah, and guys, you're in case of emergency. Yeah, when you're stuck in the middle of the lake because your battery is flat and outboard is damaged, you can use this either as anchor or you can remove your anchor and then go. Anchor, not anchor. Balls, the ball I mean. That ball. Sorry, English is not my mother language. Why they designed it this way? It embarrassed me to hold it this way, even in case of emergency. Okay guys, we have played with balls, and now we set this nut here. Yeah, just set it here, and then we should put this crank. Yeah, we should find the nice spot in the nut to put this emergency crank. Yeah, please, please, yeah. It's so difficult with one hand actually. Okay, I found it. Yeah, and then guys, you put it here, and then you put it here. Yeah, you can see it doesn't matter where it was initially located, because it will be on the right place. It's quite simple job. And now if you want to adjust your count to 0 when the ball is in the right place, yeah, you remove the counter from this parts, yeah, by rotating that one, and then you 0 it. And that's basically it, guys. So subscribe to see more tricks like this. These are not tricks, it's just the user manual. Yeah, so anyway, subscribe and like, and thank you. Bye.